Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome to project presentation on the RO water plant, initiated by second year Electrical Engineering Department, under guidance of Professor Shevale sir. A group consists of 5 members: Rohan Kanjane, Prashant Bhirade, Pratik Surwade, Aniket Wagmare, myself Rajdip Chaudhary. Osmosis, a process by which molecules of a solvent tend to pass through a semi-permeable membrane from a less concentrated solution into a more concentrated one. Reverse osmosis, a process by which solvent passes through a porous membrane in the direction opposite to that of natural osmosis when subjected to a hydrostatic pressure greater than osmotic pressure. Semi-permeable membrane. It is a membrane that may or may not allow particles to pass through it. Permeable is defined as membrane that can be crossed by particles, ions or water. Semi-permeable means that some particles, ions or water can cross the membrane. Penetrate flow, 1000 Lit per hour. Membrane type, spiral wound. TFC polonide size, Dear 4*40 long inches. No. Of members, 5. No. Of member housing. RO structure. RO requirements. Groundwater OR raw water analysis. Sand filters. Raw water pump. Dual media filters. CATRIDGED filters. High pressure pump pressure tubes. Design procedure of RO 1. Groundwater or raw water plant analysis. In this process, the groundwater is analyzed to find the total dissolved solids (TDS) membrane is selected based upon the TDS value obtained in the raw water. TDS value can be majorly calculated by using these two methods: using an electrical conductivity meter, using filter paper and a scale. Sand filters. At first, groundwater is collected and passed through sand filters. The filter media is supported on gravel bed that consist of multiple layers of graded quartz sand, fine sand, superfine white sand and pebbles of progressively large size. The filter will effectively remove up to 30 to 50 micron of the suspended solids to less than 5 ppm. Flow rate, 1500 lph min. Operating pressure, 1.5 kilograms per square centimeter. Media, support bed plus carbon. Raw water pump. After sand filters, water passed to raw water pumps from which water is passed to dual media filter. For 1000 liters capacity. Flow rate, 2000 Lit per hour. Discharge capacity, 2.5 kilograms per square centimeter min. Motor capacity, 1.0 horsepower. Dual media filters. A sand anthracite filter or dual media filter, multimedia filter, is primarily used for the removal of turbidity and suspended solids as low as 10 to 20 microns. Dual media filters provide very efficient particle removal under the conditions of high filtration rate. Dual media filter contains two medias, one as sand and other as activated carbon. Operating pressure, 3.5 kilograms per square centimeter. Flow rate, 2000 Lit per hour. Valve type, single multiport. Bed depth, 800 mm. Activated carbon filter, media, activated carbon plus sand. Flow rate, 2000 Lit per hour min. Operating pressure, 1.5 kilograms per square centimeter. Cartridge filters. After that, water is passed through cartridge filter. These filters can be surface filters or depth type filters. Depth type filters capture particles and contaminant through total thickness of the medium, while in surface filters, particles are blocked on the surface of filter. For removing suspended particles greater than 5 microns, flow rate, 2000 Lit per hour. Material, polypropylene. Filter rating, 5 micron. Length, 20 inches. High pressure pump. This pressure pump pumps the water into the membranes with high pressure. Here the flow rate should be maintained at 10 cubic meters per hour. Now water is passed into pressure tubes, where minerals get swiped off. Flow rate, 2000 Lit per hour. Disc pressure, 13 kilograms per square centimeter. Material, SS 304 MRV. Require UV system. Flow rate, 1000 Lit per hour. Thank you for watching presentation.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.